Chang'an is a city in the Chinese province of Heilongjiang, located near the western border of Russia's Primorsky Krai. On February 16, 2017, a powerful storm passed over the region and strong winds blew through Changshan. If something wasn't bolted down, it was probably blown away. According to local media, the roofless building was a bank in the center of Changshan. Either the wind was too strong or the roof was too weak. Fortunately, when the roof fell, there was no one outside except for streetlights and electrical wires. The damage was minimal. Shortly before the roof fell, residents were told to close doors and windows and were advised not to walk or ride bicycles.